Welcome to our video tutorial on a DIY installation for your free movement shatterproof mirror on wheels. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us on YouTube if you have found this useful. When you open up the box to your mirror, this is what you'll see. The styrofoam boards keep them safe, so remove them to start fixing up your mirror. Start by screwing in the wheels to your mirror stand. Keep screwing it in until the wheels feel tight and secure. Screw them in clockwise and keep turning until you can feel that the wheels are nicely fitted in but are not stuck, so it should still be able to move. Do the same for the other side. As you can see how Tessa is so comfortable and so quick with this. Remember to turn it clockwise. Be sure to be patient in turning the wheels, as these are a very crucial step to ensure the safety of everyone. Always check once you're done on both sides and do the same for the other mirror leg stand as well. Next, have someone help you prop up the mirror frame on both stands. Look out for the 4 holes where the screws are to fit into the mirror stand. Let's start to fix the legs to the mirror. Gently loosen the screws by turning anti-clockwise ever so slightly. Position the screws where the 4 holes in the mirror stands are. Try your best to aim for that. Tighten by turning clockwise as seen here. Once done, take your time to fit the mirror leg into where you have placed the screws. You will definitely need to adjust the screws as needed, but have a friend help you with this. Start with the screw nearest to the base and make sure to have someone help you hold the stand while you fit all 4 in. Make sure to take your time with this and know that as long as all 4 of them are fitted in, you are almost there. Once it's fitted, turn the screws clockwise again to make sure that all 4 screws are tight. Next, get the nuts provided in the accessories pack and start to fit them in. Start by using your hand, then use the spanner provided in the accessories pack to tighten all of the nuts. Now, do the same for all 4 until they are safe and secured. Last step, add the final rod that runs horizontally across the back of your mirror. This is our extra safety feature over here. Use the screws provided in the accessories pack to tighten both sides. There is already a hole pre-drilled, so all you need to do is to screw that in tightly. Have someone to help you hold one side while you work on the other. Then, tighten using a screwdriver. And do note that the screwdriver is not provided in the accessories pack. You do have to use your own screwdriver. Keep turning clockwise until you can feel the rod fully fitted in, tight and secure. You're almost done. For the free movement Shatterproof frame mirror on wheels, you will notice these paddings in the corner. It is up to you if you want to remove them or leave them there for extra security. Now look at your new mirror with wheels smooth as butter. Don't forget to lock your wheels on all 4 sides to keep them in place. And now, featuring your new beautiful Shatterproof mirror on wheels from Free Movement Solutions. These mirrors are sleek, classic, and minimalistic. Most importantly, our mirrors are rust-proof. Friends for life, share with your friends. Have fun and get creative with your new beautiful mirror that is safe for anyone, including pets. Contact us for more details about our Shatterproof mirrors. Until next time, like and subscribe. Bye!